Control number 15936, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir Madam. I'm Annabel Layos, 23 years old, single. I have 2 brothers and I'm the youngest sibling in the family.
Okay, how about your educational attainment?
My educational attainment is college undergraduate with the course of Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Undergraduate. For how many years?
3 years, ma'am.
3 years.
Yes.
3rd year.
Yes, ma'am. 3rd year.
Okay. So, do you have any experience working abroad?
No, ma'am.
So, how about here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I have 1 year experience to work here in the Philippines as a housekeeper, ma'am.
Okay. So, what can you do? What are your main duties?
I can clean the house, ma'am. I wash clothes. I can cook, ma'am.
What dishes can you cook?
I can cook adobo, like adobo.
So, Filipino food?
Yes, ma'am.
How about Chinese food? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Steamed fish, ma'am, and soup dishes, ma'am.
Okay. But are you willing to learn more in Chinese cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any experience working abroad?
No, ma'am.
So, this is your first time to apply abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, here in the Philippines for 1 year, aside from doing all household works, do you have any experience taking care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
A newborn baby? What can you do for a newborn baby?
I can change her diaper, I can feed, I can take a bath with the baby, ma'am.
Okay. So, in your past employer, you work for 1 year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any experience taking care of children or baby?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have, my employer has 2 kids, ma'am, 5 years old and 3 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So, you're the one taking care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in a newborn, you have an experience also? Or
yes.
no?
No, ma'am.
You don't have any experience?
Yes,
only in children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, about in an old person or bedridden?
I do not have experience that, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, can you describe yourself as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. I describe myself as a housemaid. Like, I'm hardworking, honest, smart,